In this video, I'll show you how to set a focus keyword in Yoast SEO, one of the most important steps for boosting your search ranking. Start by opening the post or page you want to optimize. Make sure Yoast SEO is installed and activated. Then scroll to the Yoast SEO section in the editor. Here you'll see the Focus Keyphrase field. Enter a key phrase that best describes your content, something your audience would likely search for. For example, if your article is about solving shin pain, a strong key phrase could be running shoes for shin splints. Once you add it, Yoast instantly analyzes your content. It checks keyword usage, density, placement, and even readability. You'll see feedback on how well your content aligns with the chosen key phrase, along with suggestions to improve. Remember, these are guidelines, not rigid rules. Always write for your audience first, while keeping SEO in mind. By setting a clear focus keyword and optimizing around it, you help search engines understand your topic and increase your chances of ranking higher. And that's it. You've successfully set a focus keyword in Yoast SEO.